how are you? So I'm back with another video, and today I will talk about how engineering and medicine are different, and maybe I'll try to answer this question कि यार जब हम लोग 10th में होते हैं, हमें जब चूज़ करना होता है कि 11th 12th में हम कैसे वो डिसीजन लें कि हम बायो पढ़ें या physics maths लें, and they are two separate fields, and that decision I think is very difficult and important at the same time. By the way, for those who don't know me, I'm Akriti. I'm a BITS Pilani engineer from 2010 to 15, and I have worked in a lot of startups in mostly non-tech roles, 7 years in Bangalore to be precise, and now I am doing my MBBS from a government college in Delhi. And I started my MBBS journey last year. I'm currently in second year. I started at the age of 30. Before you judge me, that's okay, but then the point is I'm living my life, and I want to tell you today because I think not been through medical journey, but I have kind of seen the medical fraternity thoda idea hai, and engineering ka of course pura idea hai. So one huge difference between how I think engineers are different from medicine people are that yeah, engineering is very versatile. I mean, when I used to study in the college, it was mostly fun. It was more intellectual, I felt. ठीक है, MBBS is not intellectual, it is memory heavy. It's like somebody has already found out a fact about the body, and we are supposed to remember and replicate those learnings when we see the patient in the ward. uh, Second, I want to tell you that MBBS is basically the fraternity is kind of more frustrated, I would say, than engineering people, because यार लंबी जर्नी है. 5 साढ़े 5 साल तो MBBS में निकल जाते हैं, 3 साल की PG होती है, विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट मैंडेटरी आज के दिन में इफ़ यू वांट टू बी अ गुड डॉक्टर, एंड 3 साल DM और फेलोशिप that you want to do. So obviously it takes a toll on somebody, and there's a lot of hierarchy in government institutions, and because medicine में गवर्नमेंट का ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस है कंपेयर टू इंजीनियरिंग, तो उन इंस्टीट्यूशंस में बहुत ज़्यादा हायरार्की, रेड टेप, एंड इट्स अ लॉट frustrating journey. Whereas in engineering, we do it for 4 years and we are boom out of the college, we get placed. If you're a computer science graduate, you'll easily get 20-30 lakhs package, depends on how good you are, and you can always have a chill life. I mean, techies are in demand because technology is upcoming. That is why there is so much of packages that are offered to the techies. Now, the third important thing about an MBBS graduate and a engineering graduate that I felt is that, see, when I graduated out of engineering, I was 24 years old, and yeah, I started earning at 24. Okay, I became independent. I started living alone. I had a job. I used to take my decisions alone. I used to see the world. I used to travel. I used to make my own food. Basically, मैं adult life जी रही थी, ठीक है. Versus in MBBS, mostly people are in hostels or in PGs prepping for exams and stuff, and they do not get to live and experience a lot of different things because study load इतना ज़्यादा है कि उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है. So the exposure is limited when it comes to medicine line, ठीक है. Now the most important difference between engineering and MBBS, and I know a lot of people will take offense in this, but this is true. Engineering is something that stimulates you intellectually to solve problems. Medicine is something that basically says, look, this is how you solve the problem. There are 20,000 problems, remember it. So I think medicine does not intellectually stimulate you that much unless you are somebody who's very curious, who's very passionate about discoveries and everything. But of course, if you are passionate about research, that can be a completely totally different domain, and इंडिया में ऑब्वियसली उतना रिसर्च है नहीं, प्लस अगर है भी तो बहुत ही लिमिटेड जगह पे है, एंड उसमें कंपटीशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, ठीक है. नाउ द अदर पार्ट अबाउट मेडिसिन इज दैट, see, medicine is a career where you save lives every day. Of course, it totally depends on your personality. Now, if you are somebody who doesn't care about doing anything good for the society, you just want to have a rich, maybe peaceful life, I think engineering is better. Because medicine में यार sacrifice काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. You have to get up at night, go to the OT if you're a surgeon. Emergency में अगर आपकी posting है, duties होती हैं यार 24-48 घंटे की. And if you're somebody who actually wants to give back and do something फॉर द सोसाइटी, वो चीज़ MBBS में ज़्यादा है कंपेयर टू इंजीनियरिंग. इंजीनियरिंग में ऑब्वियसली डिपेंड्स ऑन द प्रॉब्लम यू आर सॉल्विंग. मोस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स आर नॉट सोसाइटी ओरिएंटेड, दे आर मोस्टली कैपिटलिस्टिक ओरिएंटेड, ठीक है. दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस. एंड मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि MBBS में थोड़ा सा डिस्करेज कर देते हैं आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग, क्योंकि ऐसा ही होता है. ये होता है। एंड इंजीनियरिंग में हम ओपन बुक एग्जाम्स लिखते थे तो हमें प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट दे दिया जाता था और हमें डिज़ाइन करनी होती थी चीज़ें, तो थोड़ा दिमाग खुलता था। ठीक है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज इंजीनियरिंग ऐसी चीज़ है कि अगर आप सपोज टेक में कर रहे हो, यू आर अ कंप्यूटर साइंस ग्रेजुएट, तो आप काफ़ी अपकमिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज के साथ डील करोगे एंड यू कैन बिल्ड ग्रेट सोल्यूशंस। मेडिसिन में भी आप कर सकते हो बट स्कोप काफ़ी लिमिटेड है। ठीक है, यू विल प्रॉब्लली बिकम अ डॉक्टर कि आप स्टैंडर्ड पेशेंट्स देख रहे हो, एक आध पेशेंट आएंगे जो बहुत ही डिफरेंट होंगे एंड यू विल प्रॉब्लली हैव टू अप्लाई योर हेड, but mostly it is kind of like a scripted thing once you specialize and you basically start practicing. The other part is that medicine as a career is something that will age with wine. ठीक है, age as a wine. I mean, even when you are 70, 60, you can still practice medicine, and in fact you will have more value than anybody else. For example, अब engineering में ऐसा होगा कि you'll retire at 50, 60 because there'll be somebody better than you at that age with a better technological sense, है ना? तो ये थोड़ा सा उसमें security crisis हो सकता है. The last thing is कि engineering pays you a lot better than medicine initially, but if you're a great doctor and if you have a good presence of mind, with age you can do really really well, and if you're smart you can figure out multiple source avenues to earn money and accordingly build a lifestyle around it. You can go to tier 2, open your own clinics if you have that kind of money, or even practice in private, which gives a lot of money. But of course time is something that will not be so much of a, you know, privilege in medicine as compared to engineering. So now here comes the dilemma कि जब आप 10th स्टैंडर्ड में हो तो कैसे डिसाइड करो यार। देखो मेडिसिन में बहुत बहुत लर्न करना है, बहुत फैक्ट्स रिमेंबर करने हैं, इट्स नॉट अ रोजी जर्नी, इट्स प्रिटी डिफिकल्ट, बट जब आप क्लिनिक में जाओगे तो अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हो कि अच्छा हाँ एग्जैक्टली हमने जो ये पढ़ा था कि ये होता है वो कहाँ होता है, कैसा दिखता है, यू नो। एंड बट इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक दैट एज वेल, मेडिसिन इज नॉट फॉर यू. And if you're somebody who's curious, who wants to build things, who wants to, you know, break things and make things, engineering is the thing for you. If you're somebody who wants to just remember facts and do things again and again, medicine is for you. I hope this video helped a bit, and do let me know in comments कि कुछ और ऐसे questions हैं जो I can answer probably with my own experience, whatever little I have, and I'll be glad to answer them. Till then, bye.